Alam mo, kapag tumatanda ka na pala, mas magiging priority mo na yung peace of mind. You will realize na mas okay pala yung tahimik at hindi lahat kailangan patulan. Not all arguments are worth it. Natutunan kong napipili rin pala yung katahimikan. Choose your peace, choose your peace of mind, your life will get better.
Taking my place in this crowded night.